Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a factory reset on a Tecno Spark Go. Keeping in mind that if you do this, this will delete everything off your phone, all your contacts, all your photos, all your apps, all your everything, and it will be like a brand new phone. If that's okay with you and you're ready to go, let's do it now. It's real simple. All you need to do is turn your phone off, and once it's off, we're going to press and hold the volume up and the power button simultaneously. And just continue to press and hold those two buttons until your phone vibrates and turns on. And when it does this, it will turn on into this recovery mode. And from there, we can use the volume up and down buttons to toggle through these menu items. So we will toggle down to wipe data factory reset, and we will click the power button in order to choose that option. Then we will come to a confirmation page, and you'll see wipe all user data in capital letters. This cannot be undone, and with the factory data reset highlighted. Once you click the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted off your phone. If you click it, it will take it through a couple minutes of a wiping and a reset cycle. And once that's done, you can go ahead and reboot your phone and it will turn on like it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.